Despite the increased connectivity brought about by the rise of modern technology, individuals still experience a heightened sense of disconnection, and one of these are international students, an overlooked group because factors such as cultural shift, limited supporting resources, and exclusion being separated from family can lead to anxiety, depression, and more severe consequences, yet it is not commonly addressed. The demographic of international students are important based on many reasons. Economically, international education was worth $20 billion to the Australian economy in 2021-2022. In addition to that, international students also increase the social and cultural diversity of the campuses, enriching the research and learning environment. PhD and master students bring new research ideas and expertise to their own universities and help strengthen international partnerships. They increase the country's soft power when returning home and becoming informal ambassadors, strengthening trade, research, and diplomatic links. Music is a universal language, and when written and presented by marginalized groups, then the role changes from entertainment to a much larger one, from commemoration of an event or time to resistance. For international students, music plays a crucial role and has been shown to be used as an emotional regulation tool, as one of the methods to cope with stress, and is especially useful for cultural adaptation. This project, therefore, will focus on how music could enhance the experience of first-time international students in Australia.
Find the perfect rhythm and discover your soundmate. Yajing has difficulties adapting to her new environment. She feels excluded from her community. Regardless, she is highly motivated and wants to succeed, but the language barrier prevents her from building a network personally and professionally. Her passion for music and her desire for connection led her to Soundmate. Music is an important part of Sithu's life. Finding someone with his passion for music has been a difficult task. With his experience living in Sydney for some time, he hopes to help others in the same boat while also forming new connections. Hoping to find his sound to those in tune, he came to Soundmate. Begin each day by capturing your feelings with a simple tap. Whether you want to connect, discover some new music internationally or domestically, or stay up to date with latest live music events, Soundmate has you covered. Hip hop, rock or jazz, Spanish, French or Russian, live or in your ear, join us to experience it all. Soundmate provides users with the freedom of expression through the power of music by allowing them to let the app know how they are feeling rather than the app taking the charge. This enriches the experience by allowing them to connect with anyone they want and explore what is new while feeling the sense of belonging to the community at the same time.